Hello my friends, thanks so much for being here. So today I'm super excited. I got my July LashyBox. So with that I'm going to get this thing open, show you everything we got inside it, and then I'm going to throw the rest of the makeup on my face other than what's in the box to make a full face, and then we will put that on together, and I'll give you some more information about LashyBox. Yeah, so if you are new to my channel, my name is Shyla and this is LaLa Land. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring the little notification bell so YouTube lets you know every time I upload a video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and just get into it. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit. I threw everything else on my face. I didn't do blush just because I wanted to be able to use this little brush that I got in the brush set. It's kind of small for like an all over the face brush, but so I just wanted to do my blush with it. And then also I have this brush that we got, a fan brush that I'll use for the highlighter. And this other brush I will make sure to use on the eyes, but I am excited to go ahead and jump right into the eyeshadow palette. Again, this is the Poolside Palette by IBY Beauty, and it is beautiful. Kind of reminds me of Barbie, very Barbie-esque. Okay, so I am just going to jump into this. I will show you what colors of the shades I'm going to use, but I'll just kind of like probably be putting some music to this and just zooming through the eye look because this is not a tutorial. I just wanted to review the makeup for you. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this. so I am going to just pop on some mascara, and then I will be putting on the lashes that I choose from the box. So give me one quick sec, and then I'll zoom you guys back out. We'll do the rest of the thing. Okay, so I just popped on some mascara. I decided I am going to go with the Ruby May lashes in style Eclipse. Okay, so because all lashes or all eyes are not the same size, you do need to trim them to fit your eye. I love the bands on the Ruby May lashes, to be honest. So on the inner corner, so just to show you guys, this is how the lashes go. This lash goes with this eye. This lash goes with this eye. So for the inner corner of the lash, you just trim off that tiny little tag. I'll show you. There's a tiny little tag you want to trim off there. And then you want to trim the biggest piece off of this, which would be the amount that's too big for your eye. So yeah, it's usually the same amount. So I just trim off that amount of my lash, and then so I use this tweezer. I feel like it helps. You don't have to use it, but it does help. This I got in my LashyBox. They do send tools. So I just pinch the lash like so, tilt back, and then apply the band to the very, very, very tip of the lash. I didn't do liner, so there's going to be a little bit of a gap. And use a regular tweezer. Like so. So let me just pop this one on and I'll be right back. That way we're not wasting too much time. Okay, got the lashes applied. Now I want to be able to use these other two brushes. So this brush did come in the set, the little eyebrow one. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. I mean, it goes through the brows pretty well. I mean, not a lot to review with this. I think they're just, it's nice to have. So you can't really have too many of them, I guess, you know. So I am going to use this brush from the little four piece set, and the last video I did a review on this little face palette, or I used this little face palette that I got in my last, you know, I'm not sure if this was in May's or June's, I'm sorry. It's all in the same video, the last LashyBox video I did, but I'm going to use these blushes with this brush, and then the highlight with the fan brush that came in the set as well. So this is Queens and Manhattan. Okay, this shit's pigmented. Okay, now with the little fan brush from the set, I'm going in with Manhattan. Let's see. Okay, and last but not least, okay, well obviously they did send this Pixie Mask, but I am not going to be using this today. I can note in or leave a comment letting you guys know if I use this or not. I'm not going to do this tonight. I'm sorry guys, but I am excited that they did send me a mask because I plan on having like little, like, I don't know, like mama day, you know, prep. What is it, prep? No, primp, a little primp day. So maybe I'll film that, guys, for your like little self-care day and show you guys what I do with that. So let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see my self-care kind of primping mama love myself kind of day with facials and all of that good stuff. Let me know down in the comments if that's something that you guys like to see. I'd love to film it for you. But we did get this lip oil, and it just says to apply a thin layer over lips wearing alone or on top of a color for a glossy finish. This is by Mannakadar, I'm sorry. Beauty Simplified Renewing Lip Oil. So I'm just going to put it on my bare lips because I want to see the feel of it. No smell? It feels super moisturizing. I really do like it. But there's no smell. It doesn't really have like a taste or anything like that, so that's good. So let's just go ahead and go over everything we got. So this eye look that I was able to come up with from the eyeshadow palette, I think it ended up really cute. Again, the palette was reminded me of very like, you know, Barbie vibes. So that's kind of what my inspiration was. I don't know what Barbie looks like this, but I don't know. I really like the look that I was able to come up with. That inner corner is just gleaming. So the eyeshadow palette I do like. I will insert a clip or just a little quick picture of all of the colors swatched out on my arm. So I'll insert that for you guys. And then all of the lashes, all of them are beautiful. This one I actually did get in a previous box, so I think this is the second time, I think in almost a year, that I've gotten a repeat lash. So I think that's pretty awesome. That just shows that it's such a huge variety for a company to have. But all the other lashes I do think are beautiful. I love the lashes I picked. Again, this is by Ruby May Cosmetics. I honestly think the founder or the owner of LashyBox is also owner or part owner of Ruby May. Definitely check out their Instagram. I will make sure to link that down below. And then keep in mind, guys, I think this subscription box is definitely worth it. There are 6 different tiers that you can choose from, ranging from $13.99 a month to mine, which is $24.99 a month. $9.99 a month to $24.99 a month. So 6 different tiers. Definitely check out their website. I will make sure that's linked down below. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I just really do enjoy this subscription box. If you guys do decide to get LashyBox, I do have a referral code that is linked also in the description. I don't think that gives me, well, it definitely doesn't give me money or anything like that. It might give me like points towards getting like discounts off of products on their website or something like that. but I'm not sure. That might also get you guys a discount as well. I'm not sure, but I wanted to refer you guys because I really do appreciate the product and what they put into each box. I really do enjoy. Yeah, so to end it there, let me see. Okay, sorry, the brush set. This brush, not the best brush. The little eye brush, not the best brush, to be honest. It kind of took me forever to blend out the blush, so that wasn't the best. So not a huge fan of the brush set, but I do love the idea of them setting more brushes. I've gotten several brushes from them that have worked in the past. This is the first one that's kind of a dud, but hey, I don't know, maybe my daughter will like it. I'm not sure. But again, I think it's worth it in the box. I'd pay $24.99. Mine is the XL box. If you guys have any more questions, hit me up in the comments. Sorry if I'm not very clear about it, but again, I will make sure everything is linked down below. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for being here. Sorry for rambling on. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your night, depending on what time you get this uploaded. Thank you again for your time. It really does mean a lot to me that you spend your time with me. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so YouTube lets you know every time I upload a video. And thanks again for your time, you guys. I really do love you all. Have a good night.